Good everybody. Today we are going to talk about chronic kidney disease. It has been a thing of concern to me to talk about chronic kidney disease because so many people don't know their health conditions and they suffer these things, and this thing lead to a chronic state where they start having some kind of thing, and some of them can end up dying. So what is this chronic kidney disease? Chronic kidney disease is a broad term that refers to diseases that affect the kidney. And in general term, you can say in chronic kidney disease, there is kidney dysfunction or damage of the kidney. That's chronic kidney disease. So, chronic kidney disease, this disease have causes. And when you're talking about these causes, we have the major two causes, which is diabetes and hypertension. We have other causes like polycystic kidney disease, which is inherited. We have glomerulonephritis, and we have others. So when we're talking about hypertension, we all know that hypertension is high blood pressure. And high blood pressure, this high blood pressure is the blood vessels leading to the kidneys are having excess blood flow to that place. And by this, these vessels start becoming thickening. And this thickening causes a narrowing in these blood vessels, causing reduced blood flow to the kidney. And by this, it's going to cause ischemic injury to the kidney due to the fact that there is not enough oxygen supplied to the kidney. And by this ischemic injury causes the release of macrophages, and these macrophages are released from the epithelium of the cell of the kidney. And this macrophages causes the release of growth hormones. This growth hormones causes the release of messenger cells, and these messenger cells start causing scarring of the glomerular epithelium, and also causes hardening of the epithelium. By this, there is not enough filtration of blood and other filtrates or fluids in the glomerulus. So when we are talking about diabetes causing chronic kidney disease, is where sugar molecules are attached to these blood vessels. By this, it can cause reduced blood flow to the kidney. And also, this sugar molecules causes the efferent arteriosus, that is the vessels where blood leave the glomerulus. These efferent ones are narrowed. By this, there is not enough blood flow to pass through that place, causing retention of blood or retention of fluid in the glomerulus. By this, it increases the pressure in the glomerulus and causes swelling of the glomerulus. Okay, so other causes like glomerulonephritis, simply the inflammation of the glomerulus. So we have signs and symptoms. These signs and symptoms are due to retention of so many things. Like urea is a waste product of our body system, and it's always excreted through the kidney. So where this urea is not well excreted, it's returned back to the body or is retained in the body. And by this, it affects the central nervous system, maybe causing confusions, and also if it goes to the vomiting center of the brain, it can cause vomiting. So urea also can cause encephalopathy. So we have other causes like retention of potassium. Normally, the kidney is responsible for electrolyte balance, but where the kidney is damaged, potassium is not well excreted from the body. This causes hyperkalemia, that's excess potassium in the body. And this excess potassium is not good for our body. It causes cardiac arrhythmias where there is excessive cardiac pumping. So we also have hypocalcemia as a signs and symptoms. Hypocalcemia is due to the fact that when the kidney is damaged, it does not produce vitamin D, which helps in the absorption of calcium. And by this, there is hypocalcemia. Okay, we also have anemia. We all know that erythropoietin helps in production of red blood cells, and this erythropoietin is stimulated in the bone marrow by the kidneys. So when the kidney is damaged, this function is also damaged. So we also have another sign and symptom like weakened bones and brittle bones. This weakened bones is due to the fact that where there is not enough calcium in the body, the parathyroid gland helps in removing or helps in stimulating calcium from the bones, and by this, it causes weakened bones and also brittle bones. We also have hypertension. It will shock you that hypertension is also a sign and symptoms of chronic kidney disease, because like I said before, hypertension is also a cause of chronic kidney disease. Hypertension here is because this fluid, normally the kidney helps in stimulating renin to also increase blood pressure, but due to the fact that there is reduced flow of fluid in the kidney, it causes the release of renin. By this increases blood pressure in the kidney and in the body. So we have stages of chronic kidney disease. The stage 1 is where the glomerulus filtration rate is equal to or greater than 90 millimeters mercury. I should not get you confused of what is glomerulus filtration rate. Glomerulus filtration rate is the amount of plasma that is filtered in the glomeruli. So get that. Then stage 2 is where there is less than 90 millimeters mercury. That's from 60 millimeters mercury to 89 millimeters mercury. Then for stage 3 has to do with the glomerulus filtration rate is within 30 to 59 millimeters mercury, and that is very low. Get that. Then for the most severe case, we have where the glomerulus filtration rate is within 15 to 30. That's very bad, and that's leading to end stage chronic kidney disease. For end stage chronic kidney disease, we have the glomerulus filtration rate less than 50 meters mercury per meters. That one can just lead to kidney damage. So complications of chronic kidney disease is weakened bones, build-up of fluids, electrical abnormalities, and hypertension. Those are the complications of chronic kidney disease. How do we diagnose chronic kidney disease? 1, blood test, urine test. Blood test is where you are testing if there is blood in urine. Urine test is where you are testing if there is protein in your urine. That's the 2 major tests that we do for chronic kidney disease. Then for the management, first, when you're talking about the management, you need to know that you are going to treat most of these causes, or most of these signs and symptoms. Like we have hypertension, you are going to treat for hypertension. So you have to take that in note. So the main thing is that in chronic kidney disease, this disease can cause total damage of the kidney where you might need dialysis. It helps very well.